What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing all of these cars plus a whole lot more, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see them all. First we have this Lotus, cardboard box, there it is, nice blue, good wheels, nice back. So the turntable isn't working at the moment, but for now we just have the review of the car. And this also has like this frosted top, which looks really nice. And the engine is in the front. Okay. Next car, we have a Mazda 787B, which is like a track car. Looks cool. Alright, here it is. It looks really sick from the front. It's pretty heavy. Chassis is plastic, but it's so much metal that it's really heavy. The wing looks really cool. Nice decals. I'll put that there. Alright, next we're going to head on to the 2023 D-Case mainline of Super, which is this Lotus right here. Here it is. Nice red paint, cool chrome wheels, and the back looks sick. As always, they do such a good job with these Lotuses. And what else do we have here? We have this, our only 32 Ford mainline that we found in 2020. Oh wow, that came off really easily. None of the packaging ripped on that one. Here it is. That looks really cool. They have some nice wheels. Cool engine. Alright. Next up we have this Rimac Nervera. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it does look really cool. This is one that I was really excited for to open up this year. Here it is, and that thing looks like a beast. This car right here looks very, very similar to the Hennessy Venom, which is cool. Chassis is blue, chrome wheels. That is a very nice supercar. And here we have a car that I've been wanting to unbox for a very, very long time. The cool Combi. So I'm very excited for this car. They are going to be making a recolor of this car in gray later on in this year. I believe it's H-Case, maybe G-Case. This is pretty much one of my favorite, if not my favorite, die-cast car that Hot Wheels makes. I think they did an amazing job on it. And this one, the Moon Eyes, just nice. They had one with like a Disney set, which was really cool. I just wasn't able to get it because they were getting picked off so easily. And here we have a custom Ford Maverick. Now this one looks really, really cool. This is an older car. It looks a lot like a 2000 Skyline. Here it is in a very light blue. The front looks really mean. It's very heavy actually. The little livery has the black stripes, orange yellow stripes, and 5-spoke wheels. So that's a really cool car. And here we have the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. I'm actually really excited to open this. This is pretty old. This is A-Case, but it's in a nice pink. It looks like there's like a little parachute back there, some nice taillights, chrome. The front looks nice, chrome interior. Looks like those old-fashioned wheels, and gray plastic chassis. Now we have, the GoPro's low on battery, so I might have to go charge that. But we have all of this to unbox. So there's some really cool stuff in here. I don't know if you guys want to stay here for that, but I recommend staying here in the video for this because this is really cool stuff. So we're going to start with this Karma GS6 by Matchbox. This looks like an electric car. There it is. It looks kind of like a Porsche, Tesla, Aston Martin mixture, but there it is. There's some kind of worn down wheels with a tan interior, and that looks nice. Put that guy right there. And what else do we have? We have, ooh, this Ford Escort RS 2000 or R5 2000, I don't know what it is, I can't really tell, but I'm not doing a great job on unboxing these today. Very square rectangular car, a very cool livery with that white dot. Front looks nice. Back has a license plate, looks like a Europe license plate. Some cool taillights. And now we have 2023 A-Case mainline of Super. I'm quite obviously opening this because I'm trying to get the whole mainline set. And oh, that was cut by the razor. I guess when they were opening this, or maybe someone tried to steal it. Probably not though. Oops. Here it is. It has some really cool paint to it. I wouldn't normally be unboxing this car because it's not really something that I tend to unbox or like. But since it's a mainline of a Super, you know I have to unbox it. And here we have a custom 2011 Camaro. These are some older Camaros that I saw when I was young. I think that the newer Camaros are doing such a good job with. I kind of didn't really like older Camaros. They just look boring. Now the new ones look great. This one has a cool like kit on it. And it has a cool circuit board looking livery with the front left window being like that netting, like a race car. And it's pretty heavy. It's a lot of metal. And next we have a BMW 507. This looks like a really, really cool old car. We're going to be unboxing. Alright, here it is. Looks like a nice convertible with a red interior. Really good wheels for this car. Chrome chassis. Looks great. There's no license plate on this car, which is a little funky. But the GoPro's on 2%, so I think we have enough to open up one more, and then I'm going to have to resume it. But for you guys, it'll be not even a second. Here we have a Volvo P1800 Gasser. Now, I really wanted to open up this Gasser. I think this is from 2022. End of 2022. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm trying to build like a mini set of Gassers. Oops. So here's this. Front suspension high. There's a nice little winch there. Blue windshield, blue windows. Engine bay, nice, cool 5 spokes. Yeah, it looks very, very raised, very drag race looking. So that's cool. And I think we have room for one more 1987 Ford Sierra Cosworth in red. I'm going to be opening up this because we have many of them, and I don't have a Ford Sierra opened up yet. So here it is. The headlights look really sick. And we have gold wheels, which look really cool. And a nice little wing on the back. Alright, we're back with a charged GoPro. And we're going to resume with a Ford Shelby GT350R. Okay, pretty simple. Here it is. Very muscle car looking. Oh, they did a great job on the back. Look at that. It even has a little Hot Wheels logo. Got the tail lights. They're doing a great job on the cars this year. They should just put headlights on this thing and it would look sick. But it still looks really good. And we have next 2022 mainline of Super 1981 Camaro, which actually matches another Camaro that I have laying around. Here it is. It looks sick with that hood and a really good livery. They have nice, really cool gray wheels. Nice taillight design on the diecast model. They did a good job on that. And has a stripe on the hood. Gray wheels once again. Looks great. And then here we have a Corvette C706 convertible in red, which looks very beautiful. So we're going to open up this one. And yeah, that looks really cool with that body kit on the front. And the wheels have like a red chrome trim on them. And the interior is black. Chassis is black. This one doesn't weigh too much. The taillights are white, which doesn't really make too much sense, but at least it has both headlights and taillights, which is always cool. Guess we'll put that over there. And then we have 3 more cars. We have this 70s van with this nice puzzle-looking livery. And it says Mattel something, Hot Wheels, cars on it. It's hard to see. There's a lot of stuff on there. You could probably find a whole bunch of different words on there. But yes, this is a really nice van in white with some nice letters on it. Wouldn't be too cool if they made just a white van with no letters on it. That'd be a little bit sketchy. But we have 2 more. We have this Nissan Patrol Custom, which looks really cool because they did a great job on the hood and the paint job. Look at that engine. They did such a great job on that. And the grille looks great. The wheels look great. Interior is chrome. Nice livery. Cool back. That engine is so cool. So there's that. And then our final car of today is the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. So this actually looks so good the way that they did the paint job on this. They really did a nice job on the colorway. I don't know who designed this one this year, but they did a great job of making a nice, clean truck. So the wheels have chrome, the front has a winch and a nice square headlights. They did a great job with that black and red stripe. And it has, well, it almost looks like it had 3 doors for a second, but it didn't. Front looks great. It has like a little bay up here you could put stuff on. And yeah, that's everything. We don't even have an even spot for this. This is a little, how are we gonna do this? I don't know. Anyway, today's highlights would have to be the Combi, the Rimac, the Ford Maverick, and probably the Lotus mainline of Super. I think those are probably some of the coolest ones, and I was really, really, really excited to open up these 2 back here, particularly the Combi. I don't know why. I really like this car a lot, and I'm excited for the recolor. Hopefully they make a lot more than just 1 recolor this year, because they're probably not going to produce this car for who knows how long. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know this was a long video, but we unboxed a lot of cars. So thank you guys for 300 subscribers. If you are watching at the end, go click on the community tab on my YouTube channel and you'll see some posts of pictures, which is really cool. You'll see some stuff maybe in upcoming videos. And if I find like maybe a treasure hunt at a store, I'll post it on there. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.